Have you ever wondered how to make money online using AI? Let's unpack this question together. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is not just a buzzword that's been making rounds in tech circles. It's a powerful tool that you can leverage to generate income online. Today we're going on a journey to explore the fascinating intersection of AI and online money-making. We'll start by understanding what AI really is, and what it can do. We'll then delve into how AI is revolutionizing various industries such as e-commerce and content creation, and how it's making waves in the world of investing. This is not just about understanding AI, but also about using this knowledge to identify opportunities, seize them, and potentially transform the way you earn money online. Now that we've set the stage, let's dive into the world of AI and online money making. Before we start making money, it's crucial to understand what AI is. AI, or artificial intelligence, is a branch of computer science that aims to create systems capable of performing tasks that usually require human intelligence. These tasks may include understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, solving problems, and making decisions. AI is not a single technology, but rather a collection of technologies that are applied in a wide range of contexts, from simple applications like recommending your next Netflix binge to more complex ones like diagnosing diseases or driving autonomous vehicles. At the heart of AI are algorithms. These are sets of rules or instructions followed by the AI to perform a task. Machine learning, a subset of AI, takes this a step further by allowing the system to learn and improve from experience, much like humans do. AI has the power to disrupt and transform industries. It's already being used in healthcare to predict patient outcomes, in finance to detect fraudulent transactions, and in retail to optimize inventory management. And these are just a few examples. It's important to note that while AI has the potential to replace some jobs, it also creates new opportunities. As AI continues to advance, there will be a growing demand for individuals who understand how to leverage this technology. That's where you come in. By understanding AI, you can identify opportunities where it can be applied to create value. Maybe you'll develop a new AI-powered service or use AI to optimize an existing business process. The possibilities are endless. In essence, AI is a tool. Like any tool, its value depends on how well you understand and use it. The more you know about AI, the more effectively you can use it to create value and generate income. With a basic understanding of AI, you're now ready to explore ways to use it to make money online. One of the easiest ways to start making money with AI is in the e-commerce industry. Imagine a store that never closes. A store that knows exactly what its customers want, and a store that can predict future trends and stock levels. This is not a store of the future, but a store powered by artificial intelligence today. AI is becoming a game changer in e-commerce, helping businesses optimize their operations, improve customer service, and increase sales. Consider automated customer service. AI-powered chatbots can handle a multitude of customer inquiries simultaneously, delivering fast and accurate responses. They are tireless, working around the clock, and they learn from every interaction, improving their performance over time. This frees up human staff to focus on more complex customer issues, thus enhancing the overall customer experience. Next, let's talk about product recommendations. Ever wondered how some online stores seem to know exactly what you want? That's AI at work, analyzing your browsing history, past purchases, and other data to suggest products that you are likely to buy. AI algorithms can also analyze the behavior of similar customers to make even more accurate recommendations. This leads to increased sales and customer satisfaction. But AI doesn't stop at customer-facing roles. It also plays a crucial part in inventory management. By analyzing past sales data and market trends, AI can predict future demand for different products. This allows businesses to optimize their inventory levels, reducing storage costs and the risk of running out of stock. So, how do you implement AI in your e-commerce business? It's easier than you might think. Many e-commerce platforms already offer AI tools as part of their services. And there are plenty of third-party solutions available too. Choose the ones that best fit your business needs and start reaping the benefits of AI. As you can see, AI can be a game changer in e-commerce, but that's not all it can do. Another fascinating application of AI is in content creation. It's a brave new world where machines are not just assisting, but also creating. Let's delve into how this is happening. Artificial intelligence is being harnessed to create a wide variety of content. From articles and blog posts to social media content and even videos, AI is stepping in to fill the shoes of traditional content creators. It's not science fiction anymore. It's happening right here, right now. Consider the task of writing an article. Traditionally, it would take a skilled writer several hours, if not days, to produce an engaging and informative piece. But with AI, this process can be considerably shortened. AI tools like natural language generation software can create articles that are not only coherent but also engaging, and in a fraction of the time. But it's not just about speed. AI tools can analyze vast amounts of data, picking up on trends and topics that are currently popular or are gaining traction. This allows for the creation of content that is timely and relevant, increasing the chances of it being well received by the audience. And it's not just limited to the written word. AI is also making inroads into video content creation. For instance, AI algorithms can analyze video footage, identify key moments, and even suggest edits. This can significantly reduce the time and effort required in video editing, making the process more efficient. There are several AI tools available today that can assist in content creation. From Grammarly, which can help improve your writing, to Canva, which uses AI to suggest design elements, the options are plenty. AI is revolutionizing the way we create content. It's making the process faster, more efficient, and more attuned to the audience's preferences. But perhaps the most exciting part is that these tools are not just for big businesses. Even individual content creators can harness the power of AI to create content that resonates with their audience. AI is not just for big businesses. Even individual content creators can benefit from it. If you're interested in the financial market, AI can be your ally. It's transforming the landscape of investing, making it easier for anyone to participate and succeed. Artificial intelligence is a game changer in the world of investing. It's not just about crunching numbers and running complex calculations. AI is capable of learning, understanding, and interpreting data, and even predicting future market trends. It's like having a financial advisor that never sleeps, constantly analyzing and adapting to market changes. Think about all the factors that influence the stock market: economic indicators, political events, company earnings reports, and even social media trends. It would take a human analyst countless hours to process all this information, but AI can do it in a blink of an eye, leveraging machine learning techniques to sift through vast amounts of data and identify patterns that might be invisible to the human eye. AI can also help you make investing decisions. Many investors struggle with the emotional aspect of investing, making impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. But AI is emotionless. It makes decisions based on data and logic, not feelings. This can help you avoid costly mistakes and stick to your investing strategy. If you're managing a portfolio, AI can be a powerful tool. It can constantly monitor your investments, rebalancing your portfolio to maintain your desired level of risk and return. It can also alert you to potential opportunities or threats, allowing you to take action before it's too late. And the best part? You don't need to be a Wall Street guru to use AI in investing. There are many AI-powered investing tools available that are accessible to the average person. These tools can guide you through the investing process, providing you with data-driven insights and recommendations. AI is not a magic bullet that will guarantee success in the stock market, but it can certainly make investing less risky and more profitable. It's a tool worth considering. So if you're seeking a smart, data-driven approach to investing, why not give AI a go? After all, in the ever-changing world of finance, having a powerful ally like AI can make all the difference. AI can make investing less risky and more profitable. It's a tool worth considering. As we've seen, AI offers numerous opportunities for making money online. It's a powerful tool, with its implications stretching far and wide, from e-commerce to content creation and even investing. The first step to harnessing its potential is understanding how it works, and how it can be applied. In e-commerce, AI can automate and optimize processes, making businesses more efficient and profitable. In the realm of content creation, it can generate unique, engaging material, freeing up creators to focus on innovation and strategy. And when it comes to investing, AI can analyze vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, revealing trends and opportunities that might otherwise go unnoticed. The key to success lies in learning, adapting, and implementing. By staying open to new technologies and continually updating your skills and knowledge, you can leverage AI to create new income streams and enhance your existing ones. With the right knowledge and tools, you too can start making money online using AI.